Alright, we're at the Maur parking garage at Greene Town Center in Beavercreek, Ohio. There's Maur over there. We have a Schindler elevator here. Let's go to. Here we go. Here too. Pretty dirty up here. So one, door closest does not work on Schindler. Hey cap, you. Just your basic parking garage elevator. This thing's pretty lovely. 2,500 pound capacity. Here one. Send it at two. This thing's not that great. All right, here we go. Here are two. There's nobody up here. Watch it close. And that's it.